guys, what's up? It's Marissa, and today I am giving you guys Halloween last minute makeup looks. So basically it's changing your everyday makeup into a Halloween themed makeup. So I am not starting with a fresh face for this one. I am starting with the face I have right now. My eyebrows are done a little, my concealer and everything is already on my face. This is completely last minute. This is when you just got out of work or just got from school and you already have your makeup on and you just want to add to it. Super quick, super easy, and at the same time it's not really like, I guess you can make it sexy if you want, or you can make it scarier if you want, but I'd like to find the in between because I don't really like scary things, and at the same time I work with kids, I represent my school and all the other good things, and so sexy is not always the best way to go for me, for at least for my background and what I do. So I found a really cool in between that you could make scarier or sexier if you wanted. Now I hope you like these looks, or I hope you like this look, and that's pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Follow me on social media down below. And with your makeup look, I also did a video last year where I did last minute outfits. Honestly, I didn't have anything, I didn't buy anything. I made a whole bunch of outfits for Halloween out of what I had in a printer. That's it. It was super last minute, but it was super cute, and I loved doing that video. So go ahead and check that one out down below. The link will be there. And that is it. Let's get on to the video. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to take my Dollar Tree eyeliner, and I'm going to add some length to the eyeliner I already have on. Honestly, I just want it to be a little longer just because my normal everyday eyeliner is pretty simple, and I want to add a little flair to it for the next makeup looks we're about to do. Now after I get done with that, I'm going to get another Dollar Tree eyeliner, and I know this is going to be weird, I definitely know this, but don't leave. I'm going to actually use it for my lips. Okay, listen, I know it's weird, but this is waterproof, it lasts long, and I actually found that it doesn't stain my bottom lip with the color, and I find that perfect because I don't want any black color on my bottom lip. So this was able to dry once I fanned it a little, and it was perfect to go on my lip. And it's perfect for a lot more throughout this video, so keep watching for that. After I got done with my lips, I did make sure they were dry so they wouldn't leak. I kind of touched it with my finger a little, make sure it's dry, and then I moved on to my nose again with the eyeliner. I'm using this one bottle, and this is last minute. This is, you didn't buy any makeup for Halloween, you honestly are heading to a party or an event right after work, right after school. You have no time to plan, no time to procrastinate, so you're going to use what you have, and who doesn't have eyeliner? It's so simple and so easy. So after I got done with that, I also went to the dollar store and got me a lighter shade of concealer. Guys, this is real light. Like, obviously I'm nowhere near this color, but if you are of a paler complexion, you might actually have to get a white color. This is complete pale for me, and it worked super well. So if you are a little tan, you can use it as well. Just get a concealer from the dollar store and make sure it's like 5 to 6 shades lower. And I put 4 on my cheeks, and then I put 5 on my upper eyebrow. I made a diamond shape for my cheek, if you can notice, and then I kind of started stacking the ones above my eyebrow. It's super easy, super simple, and maybe if you have Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer ears from Christmas, you can put that on. But here you go. That's pretty much it for Bambi. Okay, so leaving off where we start, I erased the Bambi dots, And I just kind of put concealer back on just so we can start off where we left off from the lips and the nose. For our next makeup look, we're going to have the same lips, the same nose, and we're going to just add a little bit more. So I took the eyeliner again, and I made a line from my lips to my nose to make sure they were connecting. It was perfect, honestly, super simple. I can't explain how fast this was. And honestly, if you have cat ears laying around, you do you. You're going to look so cute with just such a simple makeup look. And then I took my eyeliner and put some dots. Now some people really like the big dots, but I think those were really weird and over exaggerated, so mine were a little smaller. But because they're small, I put a lot more dots than normal. So just kind of dot your face up as if they're freckles, but try not to spread them around too much. Put them exactly. First, I already took off my nose and the little dots for my cat, and I'm taking some dollar store cheap black eyeshadow to do this look. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my eyeshadow on my eyelids. Honestly, I tried to do like a little thick coat because I really wanted to make a big effect, and I also put it on my waterline on both eyes. Now already you can see the big difference and the big effect this black eyeshadow makes. It is perfection, and I couldn't do anything without it. Now I'm going to take some eyeliner, and I'm going to trace a triangle above my eyebrows. Now the triangle is the width of my eyebrows. But I decided to do a short triangle because I have a rounder face and I felt like that would be better for me. But if you have more of an oval face, maybe you want to do a taller triangle and that will work for you. Now I wanted to make it a little dark, so I went over a couple of times with the eyeliner just to make my triangle stand out a little. But don't worry, you're not going to fill your triangle with the eyeliner. It's just an outline. Okay, now you're going to put a small little dot on the point of your triangle, just like this, and you're going to do it to the other side as well. Now, super simple, do the same exact thing. Now, instead of doing such a wide triangle, this one's a little smaller, and it's going to be the length of your actual eye, and don't forget the dot as well. Next, you're going to take your black eyeshadow again. This is number 1 for this look. You're going to take this and you're going to color. Yep, your eyeshadow is like crayons. You're going to color in the outline. I know this sounds weird, but I found that this actually lasted long. It worked with my sensitive skin, unlike costume makeup, which always feels really gross. It smears. This one actually doesn't smear as much, and I guess it's because it's meant to be on your eyelids, which always are moving. It's a lot. It's complicated. I don't really know. Either way, it lasted super long. It was super easy to apply, and I could use the same thing throughout my whole face, which of course is beautiful when I'm running late for something. I love it, and it's super simple. But now we're going to clean it up a little. I took a lighter shade of my concealer. It's my shade, of course, but it's going to be lighter so I can clean it up just like you clean up your brows. And this is what cleans everything up and what makes it matter, because you don't want to go too sloppy, because I know your hand can shake a little while doing this. This is where all your mistakes can get cleaned up. So I personally only had to do under eye, but if you have to do over your eyes, the dots, anything, it will work. Now get some red poppin' lipstick and put it on the bottom layer. The great thing about using eyeliner as well for your upper lip is it will not blend with your red. So it will always be separated, and it's so cool. So that's it. Give a big thumbs up. Follow me down below. We did 3 looks, and learn how to live, lose your worries, and love yourself. Bye.